In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix join error on Roblox. You do not have permission to join this experience. Error code 524. So to solve this error, first you need to tell that person who have invited you to join their experience. You need to tell them that they will allow you to join their experience. But they have invited you to join their experience but still you got this error. Then try these steps. First, go to Play Store and search for Roblox and check if there is any update or not. If there is any update, update your Roblox. But there is no update, then simply go to settings, your device settings, scroll down, tap on apps, search for Roblox, tap on force stop. Now go to storage, click on clear cache and click on clear data. If you remember your login credential, your email and password, then only click on clear data, otherwise do not click on it. And after doing all this, simply restart your device, long press your power button, click on restart and restart your device. By doing all this, your problem of join error will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.